One of the other things that we do real well is co-op maximizing. So the MotoHunt tools and the marketplace, that is a MDF co-op approved product. And so we've been able to get a 50% reimbursement for that. But if we're also helping you with your digital ads, we can certainly make those claims for you. We can help you with those, whatever you're comfortable with, and really maximize your funds throughout the year on some of these evergreen or specialized campaigns. All right. So one of the things that we really love about our company compared to a lot of the others is that we have a quick and really great process to onboard. Usually we get your data within and access within the first 24 hours. Our team sets up everything. There's zero heavy lifting from you. We set up your training. If you need multiple one-on-one or group training, we offer all that. And our stellar support team, 24/7. We are here. I'm very active. I'm very accessible. And then, of course, we have free trials if you want to take a look at it. And then, obviously, if you sign up and you're part of a group, we have group rates available as well. All right. So here's a couple of frequently asked questions. I can kind of maybe let the chat do that, but we have Facebook in just about every area.